Greetings, editors who are in a hurry. Have you tried Premiere Pro's Essential Sound auto ducking feature? Maybe you're not happy with the results you're getting, and you still need to quickly mix music under your voiceover. Here's a tutorial on a technique that I find to be the fastest way to get a quick rough mix. I'm Nick Sanders, and thanks for clicking on Video Deconstructed. Please subscribe and help me become part of your weekly YouTubing. When I first started mixing audio in Pro Tools, I was always using the audio keyframes or volume lines, or some call it rubber bands. Often very necessary, but for a rough mix or a quick corporate job, this is the way to go. Some editors call this blade and fade, and you can use it in Premiere, Resolve, Avid, Pro Tools, anything that you mix audio in. You want to set the volume of your entire music track so that your VO is easy to hear on top of it. Take the razor tool, put a cut between every point where you want to fade your music up or down, select your entire music track, and hold Shift and tap the D key to add an audio transition to each cut. Raise the volume of the first music clip that is between your first and second VO clip. Once you have that to the level you want, copy that clip and paste its volume attribute onto all of the remaining music clips that fall between your VO clips. Then adjust the crossfades as you desire. Kaboom! You're done. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'm Nick Sanders. This is Video Deconstructed. You know the drill. Subscribe, hit the bell, thumbs up, thumbs down, leave some snarky comments. Give me your latest conspiracy theories.